What's going on, everyone? Welcome to Busch Gardens Tampa. We're kind of up here on the end of March 2024, taking a look at the progress on Phoenix Rising. So it looks like we have all the footers in place for this ride, which is why we're seeing so much vertical construction. This is pretty cool. You can also see just how many construction workers are on site for this project. They are actively working to get this thing done. So I'm not 100% about this, but it looks like this building that we're seeing right here is the station or like main entrance. You can see it's like kind of far back from the main pathway, so that's what makes me think that this is going to be the station building. And then the actual entrance for the ride would probably be over there, because this is going to be the big like final moments as it makes its way into the brake run. I'm not gonna lie, this is pretty cool to see, because this lift hill is exactly in the former location of their old Wild Mouse. So this is just a very different view here in Busch Gardens Tampa, but it looks really, really good. So there you go, just a brief look at Phoenix Rising here at Busch Gardens Tampa, and it is quite literally rising at a pretty good pace. It is definitely nice to see vertical construction here with the lift hill topped off and the drop going in pretty soon, and this ride is set to make its debut later this summer. So can't wait to ride it, and of course stay tuned for more here at Coast Studios. See you next time.